Welcome back viewers. In today's video we will see how to install the Flatpak support in Ubuntu. Suppose you have installed Ubuntu 20.04 or 22.04 LTS or the rolling release of Ubuntu and you want to install some Flatpaks. So in Ubuntu, Flatpak support is not there by default. Ubuntu supports Snap and the Debian applications by default. So you got the Debian repositories and the Debian packages which can be installed by default from the store, and the Snap packages are there. So for installing the Flatpaks, you can install it by adding the Flatpak repo from the Flathub. So for that, what you have to do is you have to open the terminal. First you have to do sudo apt update. So you have to update the package manager. Then you have to type sudo flatpak remote dash add, then double dash if dash not dash exist, then space Flathub, and then you have to give the address of the Flatpak organization repo. So https flathub.org repo flathub.flatpak repo, and then you have to enter. By entering this Flatpak repo from the Flathub organization will be added to the store or the apt, and then you can install the Flatpaks from the Flathub. So there are a large number of applications available as a Flatpak on the Flathub. So you get a wide choice of softwares, and after doing this you have to reboot your system, and then you have to again do a sudo apt updates. Package manager and the store gets updated, and the Flatpak applications are visible in the store, and you can search them from the terminal by typing Flatpak search and then the name of the application you want to search. So for example, if you want to install a VLC Flatpak, you have to search Flatpak search VLC, and if the VLC is available, then you can install the Flatpak. So like this you have to do. So now I will stop the video here. In the next video we will check out something else. For example, let us check out the way to install the restricted codecs in Ubuntu. So in the next video we will check out how to install the restricted codecs in Ubuntu using the terminal. Bye, see you in the next video.